Good Thursday morning, and thank you for checking out this weather update. This morning we have temperatures in the 40s, but get ready for a big warm up today. Today will be the warmest day of the year so far, so be sure to enjoy it here. We have a high temperature later today up to 81 degrees. Very windy afternoon as well. There is a wind advisory for today. Gusts could be 35 miles per hour this afternoon, so just be aware. It's going to be windy but very warm. Dry today. A chance of thunderstorms late tonight, but that won't come in until about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, as a line of showers and storms will come in with a cold front, but this activity should be weakening. We're just going to see some gusty winds, showers, isolated thunder tomorrow morning. Around 5 o'clock in the morning is when this will come in, and then we'll see the rain ending later tomorrow morning. And we'll end the day tomorrow with sunshine and temperatures back to the 60s, lower 60s Saturday, 60s on Sunday with a chance for showers and a few thunderstorms. Sunday looks like a very wet day for us here, so if you have weekend plans, get them done on Saturday. Next week, Monday's going to be much cooler, but then we'll rebound pretty quickly next Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday will bring our next chance for rain. Have a good one.